Good day, ma'am. This is my oral recitation in Lesson 4. Question number 1. Compared and contrast organic and inorganic compounds. So this is my answer. Organic and inorganic compounds form one of the primary bases for chemistry. The primary difference that lies between these organic compounds and inorganic compounds is that organic compounds always have a carbon atom, while most of the inorganic compounds do not contain the carbon atom in them. The primary difference between organic versus inorganic compounds is that organic compounds always contain carbon, while most inorganic compounds do not contain carbon. Also, nearly all organic compounds contain carbon, hydrogen, or carbon-hydrogen bonds. Inorganic compounds do not contain both carbon and hydrogen. Organic compounds do contain both carbon and hydrogen. Question number 2. Distinguish between acids, bases, and explain their role in pH. The acids and bases play an important role in chemistry. Any compound with a pH value between 0 to 7 is considered acidic, whereas a pH value between 7 to 14 is a base. An acid is called a proton donor, while a base is called a proton acceptor. Acids are substances that provide hydrogen ions and lower pH, whereas bases provide hydroxide ions and raise pH. The stronger the acid, the more readily it donates hydrogen. Additionally, it's important to know the difference between acids and bases because mixing the two together can cause a reaction, while mixing vinegar and baking soda can create a great cleaning agent. Mixing a strong acids and bases can create toxic fumes or even explosions. Acids and bases are important to many chemical processes. Maintaining a stable internal environment in the human body, baking a delicious cake, or determining whether a lake can support aquatic life. Reaction involving acids and bases can be described through the transfer of protons, single hydrogen ions. The last question is discuss the role of buffers in helping the body maintain pH homeostasis. Chemical buffers are elements that help maintain a near consistency of the pH of fluids by preventing an increase or decrease in the hydrogen ions. Bicarbonate buffers are imperative to maintaining homeostasis. Bicarbonate ions and carbonic acid are normally in chemical equilibrium in the extracellular fluid. The lungs control your body's pH balance by releasing carbon dioxide, and your brain constantly monitors this in order to maintain the proper pH balance in your body. The kidneys help the lungs maintain acid-base balance by excreting acids or bases into the blood. Buffers are chemicals that can easily release or take up hydrogen ions in a liquid, meaning they are able to resist a change in pH by controlling how many free floating hydrogen ions there are. Different buffers maintain different pH, but the ones inside a cell maintain a pH of around 7.2.